Hello, so today we are going to look at how we can live stream conference calls and video calls from Zoom out into places like Facebook, YouTube Live, all those kind of things, and also how you can record those sessions for use in videos later on. So the first thing you're going to need is to have the Zoom app installed on your computer. The next piece of software we're going to need to look for is you're going to need OBS Studio. So if you go to obsproject.com, you will get to this page, and it's got versions for all your major operating systems that you could have. So just click and download that and install it. And what we're going to do is, before you open OBS Studio, make sure that you have opened up Zoom and that you're in the video call that you want. There we go. So you want to join with the computer audio, because that will use whatever microphone and headphone setup or speakers and all that kind of thing. So once you've got that running, that basically primarily gives Zoom access to the webcam rather than OBS. So we're just going to leave that just now, and we're going to open up OBS over there. You won't see this screen, it is because I've got another instance of it running to create this video and capture the screen. So okay, so once it's opened up, you will see a screen like this. So your first thing, what you want to do is, you should see here you've got scenes. You will default with having one there. The main box you want to look for is in this one, and if you click add, what you'll be looking for is window capture. It's at the bottom. So you can give it a name if you want. I'm just going to leave it as window capture. And then this box will open up. So what you're looking for is here, look for the Zoom window, and there we go, it's capturing in that window. If you click OK, it goes onto the black box, is basically your recording area. So that is what you'll either see in your live stream, or you'll see it in your final video if you're recording it. So all we can do is, if you right click on it, go to transform and do fit to screen, it will snap it to the full width of the screen. So there we go. You can also see that you've got your audio sources here. So this one is my microphone, so it's my headset that I'm talking to you on. You can change, you can play about with the volume if you're too loud or whatever like that. Desktop audio will be the audio from your Zoom call in the background. So once you've got to this point, what you're going to want to do is, if you want to just purely record the video, you can click on this button here, and that will start recording it. You can go into the settings, and if you go to output, you can choose in this recording box here where it goes to, so you can change obviously where the file ends up, file qualities and stuff like that. I would say just leave it alone. It'll come preset to the settings that you probably want, because it'll be the best quality you'll get out of it. So if you're wanting to do live streaming, again, you would go into settings, but you would go to the stream tab here and choose where you want to put it. So if you're wanting to do a Facebook Live, you would go to here. Then what you would want to do is go to your Facebook page and click on the live button. This will give you two options. The camera won't work because you're currently using it for Zoom. So what you want to do is click connect here. This will open up very similar to my last video or my other video, when we did a sort of brief run through of how you would set up, doing Facebook Live and that kind of thing. So you've got your description box over here. You have got title tags if you want to do them. You can also share it into a group if you want to do that. What you're interested in is this stuff here. In particular, the stream key, which you won't be able to see on mine, because these will be different for everybody's pages. But if you click that copy button, and then you go back to OBS, what you want to do is copy and paste that into this box here. So it'll be the stream key that you want to put into there, and then you would click apply and OK. So then when you hit this start streaming button, your video will appear here. So we should see, it may struggle because I'm running two different versions. So once you hit the streaming button, what you should see eventually would be a preview here. You can see that down here has updated, so you're getting your video bit rates and stuff and things like that updating. And once you've done that, you can hit go live, and everything that you're seeing on this screen will appear into Facebook. So I'm going to stop streaming just because it's putting extra load on my computer I don't need. So you can also schedule your live videos. If you're planning to do these in advance, I would say use the schedule feature, put it on Facebook the day before or earlier. This gives this kind of post, you can change the image, you can change the date and the time here. You can also have an extra bit of text that comes in there on your Facebook page. This purely gives people a heads up that you're going to go live at the time and date that you choose, and they can also get a reminder. You can schedule that there as well. I would say make use of this the best you can. So if we load up YouTube here, you want to go to this button here and click on it. It will drop down, click go live, and that will take you to the live streaming dashboard. So we'll let that load. And it will come up with this. You want to click on the stream one up here, not the webcam one. And then you can put in your title, description here. I'm going to set it to private because I'm not actually going to upload anything. So you can put a thumbnail in if you want. You can choose whether it's for kids or not. You can also use the schedule feature the same as on Facebook there. And once you've entered this, you will create the stream. That will then load up this one and pop up a new window. So here is what you're going to need for your OBS software again. So if we go back to that, click on the settings this time, go to stream, and you would go to YouTube Gaming. Again, you need the stream key, which is the first one here. You can copy it directly. Once you've done that, click done. It'll be looking to connect. Obviously, if you've scheduled this, you can just leave this page just now and come back to it in a minute, which I will show you how to get to. You would be pasting your key in there again, clicking apply and OK. So then once you've got all the key pasted in, you would just hit start streaming. You would see a preview of it here. So as you can see, once you've got it live, obviously I am struggling because I'm recording and trying to stream, but your go live button lights up and you can just click there to go live with the stream of the video. So we'll stop that. There we go. So that is how you would do that. If you're wanting to go back to, you can go into, so if you've scheduled up a video, a live stream, and you're wanting to get back to that window, you can go into, if we go to your YouTube channel, YouTube Studio is the one you're looking for. And if you click on videos, it should appear under the live tab there. There it's there. Click on the edit. You can edit all your details if you want. Or if you go back to that one, you can click on this button here. It'll take you to the live control room, which will take you back to the window we were in a minute ago where you can actually go live. There you go. It's giving you the stream key and stuff like that. So there we go. That is basically how you do it all. It's a sort of simple way of doing it. There are more things that you can do with all of this stuff. So if you want more information or you've got any questions about all this, do throw it in the comments or feel free to contact us directly. I'd be happy to discuss your options and stuff like that with you. So that'll do us for now. See you later.